Hello, dear radio station owners, DJs and podcasters. We are here to introduce a brand new upgrade for Pro Radio WordPress theme that is going to give you amazing new powers, new widgets, new features, new podcasting opportunities, new templates and new options. New features are going to involve the theme itself. We are going to have 3 new podcast templates, which are podcast horizontal, podcast small and podcast sidebar. I'm going to show you these new templates on the new demo that is out along with Pro Radio 7.0. Under the podcast menu, you're going to find the new templates right here. For instance, this is the archive sidebar. As you can see, there is a new type of template for displaying podcast episodes. The archive small, which is a different template where you have a squared cover. Then we have the archive horizontal full, so this is perfect if your podcast episodes have very long titles. And we have the classic, which was already available before. Also, the single podcast template has new improvements. Within the customizer, you will find these options within special content podcast settings. As you can see, this area has been renewed and has been upgraded with new features. You can now choose the default template for your podcast archives. You can choose to hide the podcast date and the category in the default archives, while in the single episode, which can be edited from this area, you can choose to display or hide the featured image and the sidebar. The next grid upgrade is about the Elementor Widgets plugin for Pro Radio. We added a category filter feature that allows you to display filters on top of your post grids, post list, Mason list, and much more. You can now edit a standard post or page grid, and you will find a new tab called Filters. In the Filter tab, you can switch on the feature, and this is going to display filters based on the categories of that specific post type that we selected in the query. So if we choose podcasts, this is automatically going to use the podcast filters. The next big feature that was added concerns pagination. The pagination style that was before available as load more or infinite scroll now has a new option, which is previous next. The next updates of the Pro Radio Elementor widget is about the new widgets for podcasting. There are 2 new widgets. One is the podcast grid widget and the other is the series grid widget. This allows to create different designs for your podcast straight into your Elementor pages. It has pagination, filters and different layout styles. The third new widget that was added to this update is the custom slideshow widget. Is extremely easy to use. Click on Add Item and choose a picture from your archive or upload a new picture. We can optionally set a title, content and button. Last but not least, a brand new demo has been added to our list of pre-built radio station website is the demo 36. It features 3 amazing home pages for Elementor and features additional to home pages for podcasting. So if you are into podcasting, this is the perfect demo for you, available for free with your Pro Radio WordPress theme. Check it out along with all of the new demos which are available from our website pro.radio. As usual, updating is very easy. From your WordPress dashboard, click on Go to the Updates page, make sure you have a backup and click Update Theme Now. This is automatically downloading and installing the update on your website. Once done, click on Install and Update Plugins, and this is going to take care of updating all of the required plugins for you. If your updates and support service expired, no worries. Just get in touch with us using the contact form on pro.radio. We will help you reactivating your service and you will have access to all of the new theme updates, new plugins and new theme demos. Thank you for watching and see you soon on pro.radio.